Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Golden Corner with me, Miss Ella. In the previous video, we have talked about gerund, its types, and also the functions. Do you still remember it? Alright, in this video, we're going to learn the other form of a verb, which is infinitive. Do you know what is infinitive? Well, let's get started. If a gerund looks like a verb but the function as a noun, an infinitive is the base form of a verb. The infinitive structure is to plus this form of a verb. For example, to sing, to dance, and to run. Similar to gerund, an infinitive also can be the subject and object of a sentence. For example, number 1. To master English is my dream. Number 2. I forgot to bring my lunchbox. And the last, to make you easier to decide whether you should use gerund or infinitive, you can see the main verb of a sentence. Some verbs are followed by gerund only, and some verbs are followed by infinitive only. Here, the list of a verb which can be followed by both of gerund and infinitive. Okay, now let's practice first by completing the sentence below ya. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. I hope you enjoy and understand the lesson well, guys. And don't forget to answer the questions on the comment sections below. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to your friends. Follow our social media at English Massive Kediri. Stay healthy, keep studying, and see you!